Mami Mao akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusafo mesra so on subscribe ya mesra na wa subscribe fa wonsa me notification bell no so for more news ebusafo efia pokia a oye journalist aka Vim lady o kire se oyo babesi o wakukuduru o Vimampa efia pokia atutu bi de amane His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na judge na o sentence eye TikToker Camilla Alhassan say wonko dem 1 year because wakasa de etia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no efia pokua kire say se bi onyanse bi ani na ende Ghana embra no ya ye ne kosi koda eba ne sen na judge a wote Ghana ha enim ne yekoso se nya Camilla nkwa na wakasa de etia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na emum ye wo blogger bi o ye kitchen blogger out US etumi twene camera sine so edi Ghana fo mpanimfo atem obia na ne kankan mukra ne the former president na nado danko akufado and the vice president papay eye kitchen blogger edi femi omo keken sem akeseto ne so anya sem keto akra etna US ekeken sem edi obia atem wo Ghana ha ayete say Ghana fo esi omo aso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be president kitchen blogger na sem wo court obai no wobetwitwa court nsem ni nyina mu na kitchen blogger aba Ghana chese na sem no omo abo agu ato agu wedi nkrofa tem kwa ewa abro bia nkahwe wo Ghana ha obi kodi atem dia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama waachi ni pakro no na saa no embra na wo Ghana ha no na enam so wode che Camilla no pese mbisa se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be president ya no share sambra ne se be president wa be criticize me anase obedi matem no se mbra ne nchi wuntu anase ye mbra 1992 constitution le ka ho pese mehu se ka ho de a ene amanfo bebregu internet ne so edi mpanifo atempa titru pa ne eye NPP for current flag bearer former vice president Dr. Baumia on ne Madam Samira de atemo mu di obo ne nyasem ketua me pese me hu se lawyer bi ehu judge bi ehu police ne no so hu se Camilla e kasenti o tracking no koche no e na journalist fu ni bi na bloggers ni bi na mo afa Camilla ne nsema na se NPP ni bi di atema mo fa na mo kire mo adwen wo ho no atem di no mo di NPP fu mpanifo ne mu hu ya na boy bi o fa ne same ba wo TikTok e twen honorable kojo opon kroma beto ni page so esene sebi okwase nyina adan TikTok no ebi atem didi no ebi mu hu ena ebi mu di na ebi mu hu ana efia pokua kire se embra wo Ghana ha no eye hihim nti se Kelvin sama aboni di sa kitchen blogger se mo ntimi aye ne hwede a ene na embra no mo hwe ne yie pa na eye disgrace a friend is achichi na ekoso obi kasa na omo abechine na ade no a disgrace to democracy and to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama obey president o sheyembo ekeken se bebre kire yen be the 24-hour economy ba enkukon ketenkete na 24-hour economy His Excellency John Dramani Mahama biggest policy o de ma Ghana for me bana me appointee bi this time mechi no me betu kokwa akuafo mu pay mu me be yi akwan be yin tache ni be fa nurses adwuma nti wo nurses schools catch so mo nto aba ma na nurses fu ebose o chese ye omu de John 3:16 no mu de agire no mu diasa chese His Excellency promises out the man Ghana youth enya agidi wo mu but ende oba His Excellency who appointees eye kumase se zuba osanwan awanya KMA boss at the 7.5 million akọ fix just 13 bobs Ghana journalists fuyinala ayedin bloggers ayedin make me understand. I cannot just comprehend the fact that obede 7.5 akọ fix bobs na Ghana ayedin it's not trending and the Ghana politics ya yehupa o the 7.5 million akọ fix bobs 13 bobs in MPP for no CCO ena bob no dundum nti wose kwan ne so ayesume ho ye bridge so ko fix ya KMA boss o the 7.5 million just asem na me won wasa na medwe ho a I don't think madness kokwa afundo o musu mo abeti o mu pay so teachers gufie nurses na His Excellency okọ John 3:16 o mu didi asane ndo musu His Excellency O promises yen say o be your portrait na nkokwa ye kraba bebre na so at his excellency nkokwa no wo appointees no wo executives no so mo are nkokwa no sika twetwe di amode akwakohye project we mu nkokwa no mo anya mo are na his excellency so de nkokwa no mo ka cho mo so mo nya mo nwi ana enyemo we na ekoso ukobi ono na ukoka hey ya acho ukoka se ya hey ya acho. I am saying it emphatically. Say, me, as a command of Bimbrapa district, and this if one penny for Mamma Yamina for. Omo catch me pains, Omo yet to abandon 2024. Then this if one win in January, Omo declare his excellency or a president. Pe, what Becca said, I bet you. So me, I'm not surprised. Say it's charity where coso. Almost say NPP, and Chebe on my betchinatu. Because on per se almost could be a casaboa sheni, the Intimian Kenya may coso, and his excellency John Dramani Mahama, na pencil. It's so sad, so pathetic. It's a democracy, a quaco de say. Yenti and Sema, a fair pokia a day at Tuja. A fair pokia, and I oka say, and I quote. When some judges allow courtrooms to become extensions of politics, this is the consequences. When the law is weaponized against certain citizens, while others like kitchen bloggers are hailed as heroes, even given full security protection, despite publishing false news and abusing citizens. This is a disgrace to our democracy and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And I say, President Mahama. Nti efe poki a abekana dwen ewo TikToker Camilla Nisema ekosono eho.
My mbusa Ghana governor nasem. I mean seriously? Why? Seriously? Enti ene there's a workout. Enti ene taxpayers na yenti ena omote parliament adwuma no ayesin because my question Bank of Ghana governor. Because you see, me betna hana me catch me lots of the things at Bank of Ghana are questionable. For instance, what the sika or pay $11 million what they acquire city stabilization. Abra come de Ghana for, abra flooding kum Ghana for, abra yesi cocoa, sikani way debate your cocoa for. What you mean, sikani be sikani be anywhere debate your cocoa for. When you be the acquire CD exchange stabilization. Who does that? Why no monquanya? Why not that? That's yes or this. Meanwhile, now we can no longer do the city dollar now, stabilizing it. But back to square one. Now the city exchange rate, any dollar exchange rate is back to 12. Why? Abra says $11 million. The same Bank of Ghana, yes, our gold deposit. They have 39 tons of gold. Bank of Ghana. Oma ton amanaka 19 tons of gold. The question Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana no to questions to answer to the taxpayers. How did it happen? Say the taxpayers no munti na Bank of Ghana to taxpayers na yesika ye coins kakra kra ni ediboma ye di tua Bank of Ghana governor and staff or more no. Now the taxpayers, the ordinary Ghanaians no, through our representatives, members of parliament, we can no longer question Bank of Ghana governor. We can no longer question the governor. Seriously. We can no longer question the governor. This is the Ghana we have. The same Ghana na yeso so we promoted NDC to question MPP. But NDC abadi amo bian question Bank of Ghana governor. And see that issue also is going on. And can we say Miracle Abuaji, me I wouldn't defend Miracle Abuaji one day. Because me say I insist politician they who the politician so supportive politician when it comes to money and not because politicians the omoya me if I am privy to what you have done and the be okaseminke be ma fine but I no look I'm here for the ordinary Ghanaians what you say into me anything
ebema obi not here konyamu bisa akwati fusu say na honorable anadokura na lights ni security say ma so yo obi enu nti na aban ne say obema na akoso no sinti e de na aban ne beye ana o say oh aban ne bema police for me pa to ma nya ho say won ka yo me maka chem say me institution me wi amfi bibia ana mo be ka kire yen say ye bema police for eko gina kenke and fish joint aban ni security ni bi no said ye be ya omo be ton ade ya omo be nya asomdue ene ye kasere ya na koy afe ye wo hwa ena ye ko bisa 24-hour economy bio ewo abrante a bronsam asra ne ngo na bronsam atetene tekrama so na ode etro aye na botire na ode nkonkonsa ene sebe yensei nipa abọ na chidomu a odi jimi His Excellency the Lion Machine Gun Sami Jemfi se wonu nko chirim Sami Jemfi ba ya sa 24-hour economy no a game changer sa ai 24-hour economy ya de bia NDC for ya dwene hu yie pa na ya prepare sa ai na ye pese mu hunu se ye di be creative nyuma e de ama Ghana for obi utiwe se utumi ko bank anadwo a ompe no obi se na say ne de anadwo bank de metumi ayo me phone so o se obi men kasa se de make so obetumi akọ bank anadwo a ompe obi so eja ye de envelope abre ni nti o se hi it will be good you na enyansafo mienu ete platform no snow I'm talking banking and this is me kind of where you the can wo ecosi sense I'm talking banking me pacho obi a wo hwe me na so me you are here erudite anyone who is watching me from anywhere say Marcus you are in UK you can tell me this. Tell me any insurance company that would ensure a bank to operate at 2 a.m. live banking when there's online banking. Insurance company be take his idea and say Rex and they say I'm going to ensure a bank here. Say a bank no obey juma and I do 2 a.m. 3 a.m. Mama ya dio. Obetina na wo kan no be making the say bia wo MPP nti na de amo ye no esay o man no insurance company ben and also me wo nyansa na me dey have taken a bank on me na me insure omo na enso ma allow omo say omo nya adwuma 2 a.m. Why do you think say bank by 5 they are starting close? Even high officers they almost so na de omo chim Edi akwa chiri kura no ata by 7-8 ni atutu yes nka eni ni na akoye wo he koye online but Sami Jemfi and Obi two so-called lawyers sat on the platform to tell Ghana for ni na say yes it is true we can actually do banking at night. Any jana man call it. Adia chinya na abrantie bi ni tika kraka bi. Yes, a friend DK bio se DKH Ghana. Me pato ti o. Wo ye commercial. E dia me nipa te wo policy ase. Se de be ye omekwa akoto aba ade aye den e dia ma o. MPP fo ye bi. Okay calibus. Na omo ye registration. Any passport renewal na na do no pensi yetumi ye no online ya utumi tina wo dem dey apply passport na ade no na goro boy bi agiges bisika de bia no odwane o passport na bebe na o chere